In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and edit images with ChatGPT for beginners. First things first, let's open up your favorite browser. For this demonstration, we'll use Google as our starting point. Head over to your search engine and type in ChatGPT. This will help us find the platform we need to use to start creating and editing images. Once the search results pop up, take a moment to locate the official ChatGPT website. It's usually one of the very first options that appear, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate to ChatGPT's homepage. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're on the correct site, ensuring you have access to all the features without any security concerns. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you should see a variety of options and tools at your disposal. What we're interested in today is uploading images to work with, so let's find the plus sign button. This is typically located on the main interface and is designed to give you quick access to several features. Click on this plus sign, which will then present you with an option to add photos and files. Select this option to begin the upload process. With that in place, think about the type of prompt you'd like to create. Prompts are essentially instructions that guide ChatGPT in generating content or actions, such as editing an image. Being clear and specific with your prompt can help the tool produce the most accurate results. You might want a certain style, background, or feature added to your image, and this is where you'll specify those details. Once your prompt is crafted, it's time to proceed. Locate the Submit button, which is usually quite visible on the interface, and give it a click. This will activate the process, allowing ChatGPT to work its magic based on the prompt you've provided. The anticipation can be exciting, but rest assured, this process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. Voila! Your image is ready. Take a moment to admire the result. The image should reflect the prompt you entered, and from here, you can choose to save, download, or further refine the image as needed. It's as simple as that. You've just created and edited an image using ChatGPT with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to experiment further with the possibilities of AI-powered image modification. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!